Hello, I am Terry. Today I am here to give you some good tips about traveling. These tips will help you have a fun, safe, and stress-free trip. First, let's talk about traveling. When we travel, it is important to plan our trip well. We should make a list of the places we want to visit. It is also good to know how to get there, the best time to go, and what to do. Planning can help us save time and money. To travel, we can go by car, bus, train, or plane. Each has its own benefits. Traveling by car gives us freedom, but it can be tiring. Going by bus or train is slower, but we can see more of the country. Flying is fast but can be expensive. When we travel, we need a place to stay. There are many types of hotels. We can choose a hotel that fits our budget and needs. To find a good hotel, we can use the internet. There are useful websites that can help us find hotels with good reviews. When booking a hotel, it is important to check the location. We should choose a hotel near the places we want to visit. This will save us time and money on transport. We should also look at the hotel's services. Some hotels offer free breakfast, Wi-Fi, and parking. These things can make our stay more comfortable. It is also a good idea to book a hotel early. This can help us get a better price. Sometimes hotels offer discounts for early bookings. We should also be flexible with our travel dates. Traveling during low season can save us money on hotels and flights. Before flying, we should check the airline's luggage rules. Each airline has different rules about the size and weight of bags. At the airport, we should arrive early. This will give us time to check in and go through security. We should also have our travel documents ready. These include our passport and boarding pass. On the plane, we should try to relax. We can bring a book, music, or a movie to help pass the time. It is also important to drink water and stretch our legs. This will help us feel better during the flight. When we arrive at our destination, it is important to be safe. We should keep our things close and be careful. It is also a good idea to learn some basic phrases in the local language. This can help us communicate with the locals. Traveling can be wonderful. When we plan our trip, choose the right hotel, we can have a fun and stress-free journey. I hope you find these tips helpful for your next travels.
If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, press the like button. And if you'd like to learn more, check out other videos in the beginner playlist or subscribe to the channel to help our channel grow.